Some encouraging pro-life news out of Missouri. The state's House of Representatives has approved the Born Alive Abortion Survivors Protection Act.
With the yeas being 103 and the nays being 40, House Committee substitutes for House Bills 1667 and 2294 are third read and passed.
The legislation seeks to ensure that a baby born alive during an abortion procedure will receive the same life-saving care as any other child. State Representative Holly Jones, one of the sponsors of the bill, says the measure is rooted in common sense.
A baby that makes it out of an abortive attempt gets every life-saving measure given to a child born at the same gestational period to a mother that wanted that baby. Intent means nothing when a child is outside the womb. The arguments against the bill show just how far society has fallen. Children, regardless of intent, when born, deserve life. And if, for whatever reason, weren't going to make it, they deserve palliative care, comfort, a warm lamp. For the physician who took an oath to at first do no harm, stands by that oath and provides it, and knows that if he or she doesn't, there are consequences, just like there are consequences if they weren't to provide it to another child in the delivery room. Circumstance, intent, and place that these procedures are happening doesn't matter. The child's alive and breathing. We owe it to give it care and save its life if possible.
Jones, chairman of the Children and Families House Committee, later spoke with EWTN Pro-Life Weekly. She says it is time for Missouri to join several other states that have a mechanism in place to report when a baby survives an attempted abortion.
Studies have shown that since, well, this is back in 2024, that's the latest statistics we have, but in those 8 states alone, 455 babies were born out of abortive attempts. So those babies deserve the utmost of care, and Missouri is in a position that we must provide that, especially with what we're looking at going forward.
The legislation also allows civil lawsuits against anyone who assists with or helps to facilitate an illegal chemical abortion. Jones says the measure is designed to protect women from coercion by partners or family members.
We know from our research and studies that have been done, not just in the United States, but worldwide, that many women that have abortions are pressured into it, whether that's by an intimate partner or a mom or a dad or a family member, etc. And we wanted to make sure that women that decided to go through with an abortion, it was their decision and there was no coercion involved.
Additionally, those in violation who commit any overt act that kills a baby that has survived abortion will be considered guilty of first-degree murder. Serious penalties will be enforced on those who witness violations and fail to report them. This includes those who commit infanticide. In Missouri, abortion is legal up until fetal viability. This comes after voters approved the so-called Reproductive Rights Amendment back in November of 2024. Missourians will vote on abortion again this November after Republican lawmakers put forward a new measure seeking to ban abortion with limited exceptions. Jones says the goal is to save as many babies as possible.
I want no abortions at all, but I also want to save as many babies as we can. And right now, with the lax abortion laws that we have, which are basically non-existent, we have to make sure that we have something in place that, will save as many as we can. I really hope that Missouri voters in the pro-life, communities, they show up. And I think they will, because in the prior Amendment 3, so much was hidden and so much was just not brought to the forefront about what it really did. And so this Amendment 3 does restore the protections for mothers that are having abortive procedures in case something goes wrong and they have medical emergencies and things like this. It holds physicians accountable.
Jones also had an important message she wanted to relay to our viewers in Missouri.
If you all have any questions or you're confused about something, please do not hesitate to reach out to your legislator. We work for you. And if you have questions, we are here for you. And if you call your legislator and they don't want to talk to you, you can call my office and I will add you to my list and we will absolutely have a conversation.